All right, this is a screencast tutorial for um, my A2 and A3 Introduction to Media Arts classes. This is helpful for substitute and for students. Okay, so students are working on their New York Times podcast. It's a summative assignment. A few students already have their stuff turned in. It's great. Um, these students can maybe help others that are still in their editing process. So there's a tutorial already online for editing. I'm going to put this in the same playlist that the subday instructions are. And when you finish with your podcast, you're going to submit a sound file, um, the screenshot of your editing workplace showing 3 audio tracks, and a document with license information. Let the New York Times know where you got your music from and document the licensing properly. That means a link to a site that says royalty free um, and for education purposes, most likely, or use on the internet, um, that type of thing. So on here, there's a link to the New York Times podcast contest overview, which is right here. And if you don't remember what we're doing, read through this page. There's great instructions and helpful tips, story ideas if you're just running late to this. Um, and most students, you guys should have already recorded and should be on a PC editing alone or with a partner. Your substitute has 2 microphones, USB microphones, available to re-record, or if you're procrastinating and just getting started. Um, if Mrs. Reno has an available space for you in the library, she can let you use the makerspace to record, but most students should already have something recorded, and the working in the makerspace is 100% Mrs. Reno's decision. All right, so remember you need to have a screenshot showing um, 3 layers of your of your audio. So right here is 1, 2, and you should have a third one below that. Anyway, good luck, guys, and I'll see you on Wednesday.